National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evansville to near Janesville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Milton, Edgerton, Footville, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Busseville, Indianford, and Leiden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe